Transcribing is a simple idea, but it plays a huge role in today's digital world. At its core, transcribing means turning audio into text. Whenever someone speaks in a video, meeting, interview, podcast, or lecture, transcription is what converts those spoken words into written form. It may look straightforward, but it takes focus, patience, and a bit of technique to do it well. Think of it like taking everything someone says and putting it on paper in a clear way. This helps people read it later, search it, study it, or use it as a reference. Transcribing is useful for students, businesses, content creators, researchers, and anyone who needs information in a text format. Why people use transcription? The significance of transcription is attributable to a great number of different causes. To begin, it streamlines the content and makes it more accessible to the user population. The ability to listen to audio is not available to everyone. Some people are either deaf or hard of hearing, depending on the circumstances. Reading is favored by several folks due to the fact that it is significantly quicker and more handy. It is possible to find solutions to all of these problems by making use of a transcript, which is a written representation of the initial information. Another advantage is that text is simpler to locate. If you are looking for a certain segment of a lengthy podcast or meeting, reading a transcript is a lot more effective technique than listening to the audio for an hour. This is because you can find the segment through the transcript. Transcription is a method that companies use to record and document meetings. It is necessary for students to use them in order to review the lectures. It makes it possible for podcasters and YouTubers to turn their spoken content into written form, such as through the creation of articles, blog posts, or chapters of books. The process of transcription also serves to protect the information in the event that audio files are corrupted, lost, or rendered inaudible. Not only can written language last longer, but it is also simpler to store. Consequently, transcription guarantees that crucial talks and ideas are preserved for future generations. Different types of transcription. Not all transcription is the same. Beginners should know the main types. 1. Verbatim transcription. This is the most detailed type. You write down every single word, including stutters, filler words like and even sounds like laughter or coughing. Courtrooms and legal interviews often use this type because every detail matters. 2. Clean transcription. Here, you remove filler words, repeated phrases, and background noises. You only write what is necessary to understand the message. This type is common for YouTube videos, podcasts, and interviews where the goal is clarity. 3. Intelligent transcription. This focuses on capturing the meaning instead of every word. You can summarize, shorten long sentences, and fix grammar while keeping the original message accurate. Businesses often use this for meeting notes or reports. What skills you need for transcribing? You don't need a degree to start transcribing. Anyone can learn it, but a few skills help you do it well. Good listening. You need to hear clearly, even when the speaker talks fast or has an accent. Background noise can make things harder, so headphones help a lot. Typing accuracy. You don't have to be the fastest typist, but you should be accurate. Speed will improve naturally with practice, focus, and patience. Transcribing can be repetitive. A 1-hour audio file may take 3 to 4 hours to type, especially for beginners. Staying focused helps you avoid mistakes. Attention to detail. Correct punctuation, paragraph breaks, speaker labels, and spelling make your transcript professional and easy to read. Where transcription is used today, transcribing is more important now than ever. Many fields rely on it every day. Content creation. YouTubers, podcasters, and influencers use transcripts for subtitles, blogs, and SEO-friendly descriptions. Education. Students and teachers use transcripts for revision, accessibility, and online courses. Business. Companies document meetings, training sessions, and interviews through transcription. Research. Researchers transcribe interviews and discussions so they can analyze information more easily. Legal and medical fields. Lawyers and doctors rely on accurate transcripts for records, case files, and patient notes. Transcription is everywhere, even though most people never notice it. It works quietly behind the scenes to keep information clear and organized. Tools that make transcribing easier. You can transcribe manually or use tools. Today, many simple tools help beginners get started. Manual transcription tools, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, simple audio players. These are basic but give you full control and accuracy. AA transcription tools, Otter, Descript, Whisper, Rev automated tools. These can convert speech to text automatically. You still need to edit, but it saves a lot of time. Extra helpful equipment, headphones, foot pedals for controlling playback, noise-canceling software. You don't need all of these, but they can help if you plan to work professionally. How to start transcribing as a beginner. If you want to try transcribing, here's a simple plan you can use. Step 1. Pick a short audio file. Start with something clear, slow, and only a few minutes long. This will help you build confidence. Step 2. Listen fully before typing. Play the audio once to understand accents, speakers, and context. Step 3. Work in small sections. Play a few seconds, pause, type what you heard, and repeat. Don't try to type while listening continuously if you're new. Step 4. Edit and proofread. Check for grammar errors, missing words, and unclear sentences. Step 5. Format the transcript. Break paragraphs, add speaker labels, and make the text readable. Step 6. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you become. Can you earn money by transcribing? Yes. Many beginners start transcription as a side job because it's easy to learn and doesn't require heavy equipment. Some popular websites where you can work include Rev, Go Transcript, Transcribing, Scribby. Payments vary depending on audio quality, language, and file length. There is a higher salary in specialized sectors such as medical or legal transcribing. Nevertheless, these fields require training. A lot of people begin their careers by producing straightforward content, such as podcasts, YouTube videos, or interviews, before going on to more complex work. Outro. Transcribing is the process of turning spoken words into written text, and it's more important than people realize. The accessibility is enhanced, time is saved, and information is stored in a manner that is both clear and organized thanks to this. Learning how to transcribe is a talent that is extremely beneficial to acquire, regardless of whether you are a student, a business owner, a creator, or someone looking to make money online. It is not necessary to have sophisticated tools or much expertise for it. Anyone is capable of doing it if they put in the effort, pay attention to the details, and have some patience. In an environment where there is an abundance of audio and video content, transcription is a useful tool for bringing clarity, organization, and meaning to information that is spoken.